Hi, this topical talk's gonna show you how to fix Roblox not launching on computer. So if you're trying to launch Roblox player on your computer but Roblox not launching or not opening, here's how to fix it. So now I will show you two different methods to solve this error. The first solution is on your computer, click on this search icon and type here %app data % and open app data folder. And once the file manager opened, here you have to select app data folder and open local folder. And here scroll down and search for Roblox. Open Roblox folder. And here search for versions and open it. And here you will get all of your Roblox installed versions. And now all you have to need, you have to open a older Roblox player version. Let's open this version folder. Here you have to open Roblox player installer. Don't open Roblox player beta, just open Roblox player exe. Double click on it and you will see your Roblox is opening from a different version. And the second solution is uninstall Roblox and reinstall it. To do that, click on this search icon and type here remove, and you have to open add or remove program settings. And click on this search box and type here Roblox and click on Roblox player. Now click on uninstall. Once you uninstalled your Roblox, go to your browser and type roblox.com. Once you are in Roblox homepage, simply click on a game and click on this play button. And here you have to click on download and install Roblox. And Roblox installer will be downloaded. And then you have to reinstall the Roblox on your computer. And hope any of this solution will fix Roblox not launching error. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.